was up at his room as he opened the window and was praying 3 times a day. So when he was praying 3 times a day, after that, he went to the palace and started working. He was working hard for King Darius. And one time, the king was impressed with Daniel because he had faith in God. He did hard working for King Darius, and he even have in his heart he have God in his life. So when Daniel's friend heard about that, they was angry about that because the king already like Daniel. He liked it the best because he has God in his life, and he worked really hard on something that King Darius said. And so they're starting to plan and think how they will make Daniel dead and making him trouble. So they got a plan. One of them got a plan and went to King Darius and said to King Darius, for 30 days, all of the people shall only worship you. The people who not worship you shall be thrown into the lion's den. So the king let that order and write it on the paper law. And when Daniel heard about that law, he went to his house and prayed 3 times a day with the windows open. And when Daniel's friend saw them, they went to the king and said, King, we saw Daniel praying 3 times a day in his house with the windows open. And the King Darius was really sad because Daniel was his friend and his best friend of all of the people. It was his best friend. So the Daniel friend said, you have to do it because you already write it. You already write the law. So and the king did the order. So Daniel was put in the lion's den. And when it was nighttime, the king cannot sleep. He can't do anything. He can't eat. He can't do supper all the time. And so the next morning, the king arrived to the lion's den, and he said, Daniel, did your God rescue you from the lion's den? And inside of there, King Darius heard Daniel saying, yes, he did. He said an angel, she shut the lion's mouth, and they will not hurt me. Boys and girls, are you scared of lions? I'm scared of too, but Daniel was not afraid because he knew that his angel was watching over him. God was watching over him. So, and the king said to the guards, open the lion's den and put Daniel out, and put all of Daniel's friends into the lion's den. And when they put all of Daniel's friends into the lion's den, they all eaten because they was trying to hurt God's people. So boys and girls, never hurt God's people. Even make fun of them or do something. Never do that. When you would try to hurt somebody, you can when you try to hurt somebody, it can actually happen to you. You can die. So always pray. Remember, always pray like Daniel 3 times a day. And remember, talking to God is called prayer. God wants us to talk to Him every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Every day is the perfect day to pray. That's why boys and girls always pray and never hurt somebody. Even love one another. For love is of God. Bye. Mang bao thay lột lá đinh dấu bằng gan tà ninh ngay. Hạ về là ya tên nào cứ chị hạ ôm hi. Ama en tu nga ka tawin ama chungen pa pa hi. Ni ka chum ve chungen hi. Kumpi pa in sunga na sem hi. Kumpi pa den na ngai ma ama chumang cha ngai ma to den na lom te het bahayam te king kumpi pa Darius ida Daniel back ngai bahayam te Daniel to pa Jesu chain kumpi pa alom zong cha to Daniel lom te amal het te hecham amal ki kum ko Daniel koi chi cha in koi chi sisak in chi to na lum singa koi na to na bo ha ina mo thei ta gen ni ngai kumpi pa kya pai na amal gen hi kumpi kya ni som thum sung mi ten nang bak ang balaw te kumpi pa sunga ki ko in chi to khai ve ken te in chi to na mo den yalin azak chang aman mo a in sunga pai na ai in tunga pai te chang chungen den yalin adang hat apashan te chungen hi kumpi pa kya pai na amaw gan hi Daniel mo kay kalom heaven ahang gan law hi hinta heaven chi to hanga aman tinke to na lum singa bang chi na mo ahang Daniel ki kwai ko le bahayam chi aman law hi hin le chang mo Daniel pai chang ong kumpi ka sunga ong ki throw ong ki kwai ning chang nang to pa ong kemo chi le chang kwai now pang te now kumpi na lao ya ahang Daniel lao lo bahayam chi aman pasyan ong kem thai hi te chang avan tmi te zong kem thai hi te chang kumpi pa na lum thai lo an na thai lo bang ma hi thai lo ama Daniel back eat lo cha ama lum singa lum thai lo hi sing song cha kumpin Daniel aki khat na geya ong pai hi te chang Daniel na to pa ong kem ya chi then Daniel in ong kem mai aman avan tumite ong pai ina kwa kumpi akam ong nek som chang aman khup hi te chang amao ong bang mang chi lo hi chi te chang amao Daniel lakyana kwa Daniel ahi somte asisak somte amao kumpi kwang swat ki kwai hi te chang amao sigop hi mi te khai lo ba ke ni bahanyam chi le no mi te na bo som le e to nga ong tu ding hi Daniel ma ba in chungan di Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Daniel dana to pa kya nga chungan pa ni. Chungan leng pa siya ni hong kiem ding hi. Katli ki eat ni kyo ho dem ni. To pa chupa hong pa siya tahen. Bye.